Now let's talk about a topic that everybody is talking about, the quiet facelift or undetectable facelift. This is a phenomenon that recently has been publicized, and because the evolution of facelift surgery, I have evolved. Since 2022, I changed from doing the extended deep plane facelifting to preservation style deep plane facelifting. And that has created enormous jump in my results. And the reason for that is by less elevation of skin, working more on a deeper layer, releasing all the ligament in the face and neck area, and lifting the tissue more vertically, including the cheek, lower face, and neck all at once. So the muscle movement, the facial expressions, they all look normal. The jawlines are sharp, the neck is smooth, and it looks wholesome. It's rejuvenated, not transformed. We don't want transformation, we want rejuvenation. And that is called undetectable facelift, because if you look at the person, you literally see the same person 10, 15 years younger.